Hello 11th standard business math students, welcome back to chapter 2 algebra. Now we are going into permutations and fundamental concepts. So fundamental principle of counting. First one comes our multiplication principle of counting. What is our multiplication principle of counting? There may be two jobs, of which one job is completed in m ways and then the second job can be completed in n ways. Okay, now the two jobs in succession can be completed in m into n ways. Okay, this is called as multiplication principle of counting. So I will explain it with an example. Now we have got here three pencils, okay, and two ball pen. Okay, so we'll call this as p1, p2 and p3. This is for ball pen b1 and b2. Okay, now our question is, pick one pencil and one ball pen. Okay, so how are we going to do this? Okay, suppose you are taking pencil 1. Okay, so after taking out pencil 1, you will take either ball pen 1 or ball pen 2, any one. Okay, similarly for pencil 2, the same thing, ball pen 1, otherwise ball pen 2. Similarly for pencil 3, you will take ball pen 1, otherwise ball pen 2. So how many ways you have got here? Here 2 ways and 2 ways. So therefore you get the answer, total answer as 6 ways. Okay, so how does we get the 6 ways? How many ways, how many pencils have we got? 3. So in 3 ways you can take the pencils, and for ball pen you will get 2 ways, isn't it? So total is 3 into 2, which gives us our 6 ways as the answer. Okay, so you are going to pick one pencil and one ball pen. Okay, one ball pen gives you, and means multiplication. So and means multiplication. So if you remember this and is multiplication, then it is easy for you to answer your questions and easy to identify between two. You have got two rules: multiplication principle of counting and addition principle of counting. So first we are seeing multiplication because you have seen the factorial. Factorial it also comes under multiplication principle of counting without repetition. Okay, so and when you get and, it is going to be multiplication. Okay, here our examples based on this. Example 2.11, find the number of 4-letter words with or without meaning which can be formed out of the letters of the word note, N-O-T-E, okay, where the repetition of letters is not allowed. So we have got how many boxes here? 1, 2, 3 and 4 boxes, and so you are going to use the 4 letters without repetition. So in the first box you have got 4 letters available. After placing 1, you cannot repeat, so the remaining will be 3 letters, and after placing 1 in the second place you will have remaining 2. So after placing 1 in the second place, you will have 1 remaining, and that comes to the last box. So how many ways we can do this is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That is going to be 4 into 3 into 2 is going to be 24 words you are going to have with or without meaning. They want only the arrangement of the letters. Okay, now coming to our example 2.12. What is our question? In each objective type question having 4 choices, then find the total number of ways answering the 4 questions. So you are going to answer 4 questions and each question has 4 choice. So first question has got the 4 choice, second question has got 4 choice, third question has got 4 choice, and fourth question has 4 choice. So in how many ways you are going to answer this? 4 into 4 into 4, which is going to give you as 256 ways. Okay, now coming to example 2.13. How many 3-digit numbers can be allowed? Okay, formed if the repetition of digit is not allowed. So here also the repetition is not allowed. So 3-digit number is 3 places, and 3-digit number means it is 100, isn't it? 100th place. So 100th place, 10th place and 1st place we are going to use. So 1 is going to be 100th place. So this is going to be your 100th place, this is going to be your 10th place, and this is going to be your unit place. Okay, now in 100th place, how many digits we have got here? 0, I'll write it here. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you totally you'll have 10 digits. Okay. Out of these 10 digits, for the 100th place you cannot use this 0. Okay. So 0 cannot be used there. So remaining you will have how many ways you can fill the 100th place? In 9 ways you can fill it. And repetition is not allowed. So again out of these 10, 1 goes. So you will have the remaining as 9. Okay, in 10th place also you will have it as 9, because out of 1 to 9 you have already placed 1, and the remaining 10 you will have 9 including 0, so it will be 9 ways. So out of 9, 1 digit will go, and the remaining will be here 8 ways. So how many ways you can have your 3-digit number? 9 into 9 into 8, that is nothing but 648. All this calculation you can use your calculator. Business math students are allowed to use calculators. So I hope this will explain you our multiplication principle of counting. So it is going to be just you are going to multiply the number of ways. This is applicable only when the repetition is not allowed. Okay, so this is almost like the factorial. This is nothing but our 4 factorial. Okay, and here also actually this is 10. In 10 you get 0 is deleted, so you get 9. Otherwise this is also our factorial. Okay, I think this will explain it clearly. I have explained clearly. Thank you.